idea how to fix phone lag. First step, delete these video thingies. If you have these, delete all of them. Second of all, restart your phone. Yeah, I already did that. Third, you wanna, clear up your storage. So you should do that. Next, you go to your settings, obviously. And then quickly in your settings tab, you want to go to accessibility, recent enchantments, and there should be a button here. It's not here, but there should be like animations. Yeah, this one. This button should be off. Reduce animations. And some other things you can do. But yeah. Bye!